GM guys, especially ONDO investors, really important update. This place I'm at might be really noisy, but I don't want to miss my daily schedule because what happened in the last 48 hours is crazy. So make sure you watch this video and understand what's going on so that you can do something about it. So we start with the crash, Bitcoin crash. So you wouldn't expect ONDO to maintain above $1. It was all surprising to us that we collapsed all the way down to about 55 cents. However, the most interesting part about it is that after the crash, we managed to climb immediately back to 70 cents. And this happened in an hour. Not many coins experience that, right? You look at 55 cents, it stayed there. And then when Bitcoin hit the bottom and started climbing back up from the 40Ks, ONDO was the #1 coin on the 1 hour bounce back with 20% upswing. So that symbolizes that interest and demand for ONDO is there. A lot of people that were missing out and they were looking for an entry, they found it. So welcome on board to all ONDO investors. This is my high conviction coin of this bull cycle. I love ONDO. I think it's an incredible project. So if you bought above $1 and you crashed, do not need to cry, guys. Great things are going to happen. It's showing us right now that a lot of investors are still interested, so there is demand for ONDO, and we can only go up for as long as the market is going up. We're actually going to go up faster this time around because you now have a lot of demand, and ONDO is making a lot of news. I want to also address one thing here that maybe I didn't on Twitter. I made a mistake. I wrote a tweet that says BlackRock invested $8 million in ONDO 14 hours ago. This was incorrect, but it was almost correct because I was looking at the on-chain data on Outcome Intelligence where BlackRock sent $8 million to ONDO. But this is not a purchase of ONDO tokens. It's because ONDO uses BlackRock's Builder Fund. They stopped using the iShares short. They use the Builder Fund to sort of manage their treasuries. So the securities, so right now, they were just sending $8 million to the ONDO's wallet so that they can make payouts. So it wasn't a purchase, but it's positive to see that ONDO is still functional. Another important thing that you need to know is that ONDO has now exceeded BlackRock in securitized treasuries. BlackRock was #1, but now ONDO is on top when it comes to TVL, total value locked. So if that is not bullish to you, I don't know what else is. The deep is here, and I think the smartest thing you can do is to accumulate tokens that you believe in. I believe in ONDO. I'm buying a lot more. And if you saw on my Twitter, I shared a couple of trades I made yesterday. And what's interesting about those is this, guys. When a crash happens and you're a good trader, you take advantage of it and even make more money. So I longed ONDO at 5 or 10x leverage, and almost all my positions made 100% in return, which means I doubled my money that I put down, and then I was able to take those profits and buy ONDO at spot. I was doing this on Bybit because it's listed on spot and also on derivatives. So if you want to get a Bybit account, use the link in the description to get low fees and up to $50,000 welcome bonus. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys that. Bitcoin hit the bottom. I believe from here, we're not going to crash as much, but it's going to be volatile, but in a sideways manner. So play with caution, but it's an incredible time to trade if you're a daily trader. So shout out, subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you're watching on X, retweet and like as well. Cheers, guys.